Wi-Fi speed too slow on iPhone. So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to solve how we can fix if our Wi-Fi speed is too slow on our iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if the Wi-Fi speed is too slow, sometimes it could be the internet itself that is a slow thing. So you can try to restart your router, or you can try to contact your internet service provider in order to see if that actually helps you. Now, other thing you can try to do is you can also try to restart your iPhone, because sometimes your iPhone could also have the issue. Just try to restart it. Next up is you want to check your date and time. When you're too far behind or too far away from your current date and time, what happens is that your internet might face some kind of issue. So go to date and time and make sure that you set it to set automatically to avoid any sort of internet issues. And you can try to actually turn on mobile data on and try to turn on flight mode and Wi-Fi back again to see if that helps you. But most of the times it could just be the issue with the internet service. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.